Hi everyone, my name is Alexandre Rico. I'm a veterinarian from Spain, and right now I'm doing my PhD in epidemiology at the UC Davis. My main interest is dairy farming and how to use data to drive decision making. This summer, through the Work Experience program, I worked with Dr. Silva del Rio at the BMTRC, together with her collaborators, Drs. Rubia Branco and Daniela Bruno, both dairy advisors at the USANR. Our project focused on highly pathogenic avian influenza in dairy cattle. This disease is a new challenge for the dairy industry. In 2024, the virus jumped from wild birds into dairy cows for first time. The first cases appeared in Texas, and from there, the virus spread quickly across the United States, including California, one of the most affected states. The outbreak has caused concern because of its big economic impact and possible public health risk. This is why it is so important to understand it. Our objective was to capture the farmer's perspective. I helped design and distribute a survey for California dairies, both on paper and online. We asked how herds were affected and how producers responded. The idea was to turn this information into practical knowledge that support farmers, veterinarians, and agencies in future outbreaks. Here are some of the main results. Most herds tested positive for the virus for about 11 to 12 weeks, with a range from 4 to 32. Most of them treated about 20 to 30% of their cows, but in some cases, almost the whole herd was treated. The main treatment strategies were anti-fever medications and vitamins, used by almost 9 out of 10 producers. The farmers reported that milk production dropped by 20% in the first month post-outbreak. Finally, and as advice for future outbreaks, most producers stress the need to be ready to treat many cows and also the importance of separating sick animals. This project was part of a wider outreach effort. Our team has already presented results at international meetings. We have published in the Journal of Dairy Science Communications and also contributed to the US ANR blog. Beyond the US, we published an article in Spain's Dairy magazine to inform farmers there about the situation. And the information from this study will serve to produce new extension materials and peer-reviewed publications. During this experience, I learned how to turn numbers into clear and useful insights for producers. I'm very grateful to my mentors and to all the producers who took part in the survey. For me, the project has been a big step toward my goal, bringing dairy research and dairy practice together. I would like to finish saying thank you to everyone who made this experience possible. Thank you so much.